easy is it for you to hold a casual conversation in Russian? If you find it terrifying because native Russian speakers talk too fast and use lots of slang, you're going to love this video. Today, we'll take a real dialogue in Russian and go through every single phrase. You'll learn many casual words that Russians use every day and also some common slang expressions. Keep watching! Hey, what's up? Christina here from Boost Your Russian, bringing you the best tips and tools for learning Russian online. Let's dive right in and listen to the dialogue. Then we'll go through every single line together and I will explain to you the most difficult phrases. Сколько время? Мы опаздываем. 7:45. Мы будем вовремя. Не паникуй. Я думала, что нам надо быть в ресторане к 7:30. Мы точно не успеем по этим пробкам. Конечно, успеем. Час пик почти закончился. В любом случае, вечеринка начинается в 8. Кстати, мне нужна твоя помощь. Можешь позвонить в ресторан и спросить, где мы сможем припарковать машину? Ладно, сейчас позвоню. If you didn't understand many words, that's okay. We are going to go through every single phrase together and see what it means in English. Then, at the end of the video, we'll listen to the dialogue again and see if you can understand it better this time. Also, I will link in the description below a PDF transcript of this dialogue with its English translation and also my explanations for every single phrase. So you can download it, print it, and reread as many times as you need. Our dialogue begins with the question «Сколько время?» which means «What time is it?» Сколько is how much, and время means time. So altogether it's how much time is it? The next phrase is мы опаздываем. We are late. The verb опаздывать means to be late. It's я опаздываю, ты опаздываешь, он опаздывает, and so on. The answer is 7:45. It's a quarter after 7. Четверть means a quarter and восьмого means eighth. In Russian, when there are past less than half an hour since the beginning of a new hour, you say the number of minutes passed plus the word minuta, minuty or minut, minutes, plus the next hour, первого, второго, третьего, четвертого. For example, 5 минут второго, 20 минут пятого, 25 минут девятого. If 15 minutes passed, you say a quarter plus the next hour. For example, четверть второго, четверть пятого. So it's четверть восьмого in the dialogue. It's a quarter after 7. The next phrase is Я думала, что нам надо быть в ресторане к 7:30. Я думала, I thought, with the verb думать in the past tense. Нам нужно быть, we have to be, в ресторане, at the restaurant, к 7:30, by 7:30. К 7:30 means that they have to be there at 7:30 at the latest. They can arrive earlier if they wish, but no later than 7:30. That's what the preposition k means. If you want to say by certain time in Russian, you should use k and a cardinal number in the dative case. For example, к 7:30 by 7:30, к 2:20 by 2:20, or к 8:15 by 8:15. Now let's see if you really understood this topic. Write in the comments below how to say in Russian by 6:25. By 6:25 in Russian. Write me in the comments. I will check every single comment and correct you if needed. By the way, if you want to watch another lesson like this with a dialogue about going to a movie full of common Russian slang, I will link it here. The lesson is amazing. You'll learn a lot of new Russian words commonly used in regular conversations. The next phrase is «Мы точно не успеем по этим пробкам». Точно means for sure. Не успеем is won't make it. Here we use the perfective verb успеть to be on time in the future tense. Я успею, ты успеешь, он успеет, мы успеем, or мы не успеем. Now, let's look at the phrase по этим пробкам. Пробка literally means a cork. So it refers to something stuck. That is why in Russian, пробка also means a traffic jam when you are stuck in traffic. It's used in the plural because there are probably traffic jams all over the city at that time of day, not just one traffic jam in a specific place. Мы точно не успеем по этим пробкам. We for sure won't make it there with these traffic jams. The answer is конечно успеем. Sure we will. Конечно успеем. Конечно успеем. Час пик почти закончился. Час is an hour, peak is a peak. So altogether, час пик is a rush hour. And it's almost over. Почти закончился. Кстати, says the person, by the way, мне нужна твоя помощь. I need your help. Можешь позвонить в ресторан и спросить, где мы сможем припарковать машину? Let's look at this phrase. Можешь is the verb мочь, can, in the ты form. Ты можешь, you can. So when we informally ask if a person can do something for us, we say, можешь do this or that. For example, можешь дать мне совет? Can you give me advice? Можешь сказать мне время? Can you tell me the time? In this situation, it's можешь позвонить в ресторан и спросить? Can you call the restaurant and ask? To ask what? To ask, где мы сможем припарковать машину? Where we could park our car. And the answer is, ладно, сейчас позвоню. Okay, I'll call now. Ладно is a common informal way to say okay. Now, let's listen to the whole dialogue again. Сколько время? Мы опаздываем. 7:45. Мы будем вовремя. Не паникуй. Я думала, что нам надо быть в ресторане к 7:30. Мы точно не успеем по этим пробкам. Конечно, успеем. Час пик почти закончился. В любом случае, вечеринка начинается в 8. Кстати, мне нужна твоя помощь. Можешь позвонить в ресторан и спросить, где мы сможем припарковать машину? Ладно, сейчас позвоню. How did it go? Did you understand the dialogue better this time after my explanations? I hope so. So now it's your homework. Let me know in the comments what new words or phrases you learned from this dialogue. Feel free to write a sentence where you use those new words in context. I will check out your comments and correct them if needed. Thanks for watching! If you want a PDF transcript of this dialogue in Russian with its English translation and my explanations, you can download it. Just leave me your email address and I will send it to you immediately. I will give you the link in the description. Also, consider subscribing if you want to watch more lessons like this in the future. And remember, together we can boost your Russian.